want your hand? Hey! You? Who? You want to give me an attack on my own land?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
No. So it's you. Come down. Come down here. Come down. You son of no man. Will you come down? Come down. Hey! Come down here. Come down. Yeah? What are you doing on my land? Eh?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just aiming at a grass cutter.
A grass cutter?
Yes.
On my land? On my own land? Do you know aiming at anything or even hunting is a criminal act? You, do I need to remind you that you are a son of nobody and you have no right whatsoever to this land?
Nai, must you insult me? You're blowing this thing out of proportion. I said I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just trying to get a grass cutter.
Listen, I will say more to you. I will say more to you. You are not an aborigine of this land. You don't belong here. In fact, you don't have any right to anything here. So tread with caution. All this your movement are moving as if you are indigenous. That thing annoys me. Tread with caution, oh.
Listen, because you are an Ichie does not give you the right to insult me. I will kill you and bury you here.
Hey.
Respect is reciprocal.
Hey. Oh. I want to be going home and rest my body. I am tired. What
do you mean by you are tired? Huh? But you just joined us a few minutes ago. Listen, if anyone's supposed to be tired here, it's me and not you.
Adure, I wasn't talking to you. By the way, you should be happy that I'm here to help you. And now that I want to go home and rest my body, why don't you continue with the work that was meant for you and stop complaining?
What do you mean by the work that was meant for me? See, you better go back there and start weeding. Because if you go, I will leave. Mama, tell Ijoma, if she leaves, me, I will leave.
Are you going to stop me? You know what? I do not have strength to banter west with you.
Mama, if Ijoma leaves, then I'm equally leaving. Tell her.
What is it? What is the problem? And you, Adure? Eh? What is your problem, Adure? I have warned you times with that number to stop arguing with my daughter. She said she's tired and she wants to rest her body. Simple. Relieve her of the duty and continue from where she stopped.
But Mama, really shut up.
Shut up and listen. Adure.
Mama, but why?
Will you shut up? Adure, let me warn you for the last time. That you do not share the same privilege as my daughter in this house. This is her home. You are a stranger, Adure. Oh, you are Ibo. Adure. I'm here. Look at
Mama, I will respect and obey you, but I can never allow you to subject me as a slave.
If indeed the gods destined me for royalty, what then am I doing here? Since my father died, I have been an unhappy orphan. And there is no sign of the destiny my father told me of. Or could it be that my father told me that just to suit my heart?
If sitting in the rain is all it costs to please my daughter, I will sit with you here. Years ago, when your mother gave birth to you, I consulted with the priestess, the seer, of the Akalaka goddess. And she said so many good things about you. She foretold that you are of royal destiny, that my daughter shall grow up to become a beautiful maiden, and she would eventually become the wife of a prince with whom you shall rule your kingdom together.
But how is that possible?
The Akaraka goddess showed me this.
Oh, wait, my hand is dirty. Let me wash my hand.
Obim, stop crying. Look, your father never lied to you. You are truly destined for greatness. No matter what you're going through right now, I want you to know that it's just a phase and it will pass away. Look at me. You will make it. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? Obim, do you believe it?
Yes.
I love you so much, and I'm with you in this.
Adure!
Mama wants you to go to the farm now.
Are you deaf? What are you still doing there? It's your chirigi.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try.
Please, give me a chance to be your man. I have never seen another woman who appeals to me like you do. I have tried to talk to you, and you have not been nice to me.
In the whole of Amacha, you do not see any maiden to talk to. But you have chosen to pester me. Look, I told you it's not going to work between us. It will not work.
Obin, please, reconsider me in your thoughts. I really love you.
Do not love me. It will not work.
Listen, I will advise you to look for another maiden in your clan. I am not interested in you. I am not. Moreover, I'm in love with someone else.
Who could that be? Nobody, I mean nobody deserves you more than I do. What is his name?
You must be out of your mind to say such to my face. You must be out of your mind. And this is the last time you will stop me to utter such rubbish. No.
Mama?
Please, as you go hunting today, avoid Ichie Nzekwe's farmland. You can trade on other people's farmland. Just avoid his, please.
Mama, did Ichie Nzekwe confront you about me trespassing on his land?
You already know the circumstances we are facing with the people of this land.
Which circumstances, Mama? As the gods live, I am not under any condition, neither are you. As for Mazin Nzekwe, for confronting you, he will have me to contend with.
Nana. To stay up trouble between us and the people of this land. I don't have strength for their trouble, please.
I don't care.
I don't have strength for their trouble.
I don't care. Maybe that's your punishment for not being able to tell the people of this land who my father is. No one will treat me like an outcast for something I know nothing about. Mama! You confronted my mother. Why?
Nana, keep quiet. What insolence. How dare you shut Anichie up? Do I have to remind you that you have nothing among us? That you are a son of no man? Nabiko, where are you? Just don't kill me. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Hey! Stop! Hey, whoa.
Last warning. Last warning.
Eye of the gods. What is his condition like now?
He will recover and live again.
But he has been lying there very unconscious all these days.
Your Highness, this is not the first time you have seen him in this condition. Is it?
I know. I understand.
He will always recover and live again until the time for him to go. But it is not yet his time. I must tell you.
Eye of the gods, I appreciate. Thank you for everything you have done.
And I'm willing to do more. But do not forget to send for me when he wakes up.
I will not.
My lovely wife. That is why I love you so much.
I don't like all this gray hair.
But it's a mark of respect.
Happy that respect.
It's a mark
Leave
of
it.
respect.
Oh, I don't want it. I don't want it. No. I don't want this to notice them.
It's all about
himself.
It's all
No.
You people are welcome.
Welcome.
So, Oriakum, as you can see, my friends are here. Please, can you leave me alone to have time with them?
Okay, Mama.
It's all right.
The toad won't say.
No.
Marriage is pleasant. Yes. That was why she always carry her husband on her back. Look at the love.
Don't mind this, please. Come. You people should come and sit down.
No wonder.
Please bring cola for them. You people should sit.
No wonder you refuse to do what I would do.
I appreciate this your visit. Oriakum, please bring the cola. Obara.
We are good.
Look, when you marry a good wife, your life will be extended on this earth. Because we have cola here.
Leave the cola, please. Leave the cola. The cola should wait.
All right, no problem.
I was at Igwe Palace today.
Okay.
The situation of his son, our prince, is not getting any better.
That is not a good news at all. It's a sad news. You see, I wonder what kind of ailment is this? This young boy has been suffering this ailment since he was small. What kind of ailment is this that cannot adhere to cure?
Well, I heard that the Dibia said it's Obanje.
So?
But that his own is different.
How?
According to the Dibia, he said the boy found love in his earthly home. So he refused to go back to the world where others used to go. So, because of his refusal to go back to the world of the unborn, this strange ailment has become his fate.
This is sad and delicate. Seeing that he is the heir apparent of the throne of our land, what do we do?
That's exactly my concern.
Well, our people say that where one falls is where the gods pushes him. Seeing that he is in this condition, if anything happens to him, you know the royal throne will swing to your house. That means the God has smiled on your house.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
I understand what he's trying to say. Iche, if the gods permit that our prince does not survive this ailment, it means the next royal household of Amachara kingdom falls back to your own household. Oh yes.
How? Why did you think so?
Ichiakonam. After the royal household of Abu Igwabogidi, who does not know that Ichiakonam is the richest man in Amachala? Not only being the richest man in Amachala, your lineage has always had something to do with royalty. So what are you talking about?
Well, I'm glad that you people wish me well. But God's bear me witness that I've never thought of that.
Nobody wishes the curse of the gods on the roof of our ego.
But let me tell you something. The curse of the gods is upon every roof. Until you identify your own share of the curse, then you will understand that we humans are like games in the field of the gods.
You have a point there. You are right. You are very, very right. I have not thought of that.
Please, I think we can now enjoy the cola and the drink.
Okay.
Ask your GS the DS.
Already, I will go not share one. Well,
listen, I understand, but you can't go hunting with me. The bush is dangerous.
Baby, I want to go with you.
No. I promise you, one grass cutter.
You promise?
Yes.
And I'll also prepare roasted yam for you. Why waiting for you?
You are just an epitome of beauty.
So, there you are. I have been looking for you.
What is the meaning of this? What?
So, is the reason you ignored and turned down my love proposal? This is unbelievable. Does that mean you do not have self-respect? You chose the son of no man over me? I'm so ashamed of you. What do you want?
My father told me how you threatened and harassed him the other day in his farm. How dare you? Do you not remember he has a son like me who could stand up to you and give you a run in a fight?
Nanda, you are beating more than you can chew. And it is high time we make this land uncomfortable for you! Shut up! Are you done?
I am not done talking to you. Now listen and listen attentively. I, Obun, will not take it lightly with you if you in any manner talk to my father in an insulting way again. I will not only fight you, but I will also remind you of your place in this land. Obun Emaro, Emaro.
Now listen, I do not want to see you with Ikechi again. Stay away from Ikechi! Stay away from her! Anabala Gumba.
Mama, anytime I see you in this kind of mood, it means something grave is troubling your heart. Please talk to your wife. Bikon, what is it?
Will the gods ever give me just a son? If only the gods will give me a son in an exchange of all my wealth, I will make a bountiful sacrifice on the shrine of Annie to worship and thank him.
Please, do not give up on me. I promise you, I shall bear you a son. And the gods are not deaf to our prayers. Please.
Maybe the curse came upon me the day I promised you that I will never take another wife.
I'm talking. Amosu, Ozurere. Do you think I don't know that you killed your parents with your witchcraft?
Mama, me?
Yes, I know. And since you came into this house, I've had series of miscarriages.
Mama.
You think I don't know?
Mama.
I know, Adure. And I know that you are responsible for me not to be able to bear my husband a son. You think I don't know?
Mama, how could you say that?
I know all that. Adure, that is why I will make this house so uncomfortable for you.
Mama.
In this house, Adure,
Mama.
I'm Wafia. Look at her.
I have done nothing wrong to deserve this treatment. Why are you treating me like a slave?
Come on, will you go inside?
What is happening here?
Mama, Pepe. Mama, put Pepe in my eyes.
Begging.
Oh, say.
Nai, welcome to Pepe. So, Nai, will you shut up? Let me talk to my husband. Go inside. Get out of this place. Papa, come on, get out. Papa, Gini, the man on Pagi. Just small slap, and she's saying Pepe. Nai, can you imagine? I came out of the house and saw Adure sleeping by this time of the day. That she should be busy working in the farm like other maidens. Nai, that is it. Oh, I just touched her like this and she's shouting, Pepe, Pepe, Kedebo says easy.
You don't have to transfer your frustration on this poor girl. I saw her left here very early in the morning to work on the farm. Do you want her to remain there? Is she not a human being like you?
I'm only helping her.
Listen to me. I kept quiet, watch you and your daughter maltreat this girl in this house. Neka, remember, it is not what we promised her father.
You are holding me the way I like it most.
It feels so good.
Look at you. I love you so much, okay? I do.
I love you too. I love you more.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful. That reminds me. There is something I said I will tell you.
And what could that be? Talk, I'm listening.
Please. I do not like how Adure is being treated in your house.
So, she complained to you?
Yes, she did. And it's becoming so unbearable. Ijoma, she does not deserve to be treated like a slave.
I can say you still love her. And you will never leave her. So you have been deceiving me.
Ijoma. I never deceived you. I love you. Adure has been good to me. She's a good woman and deserves to be treated with respect, love, and kindness. Yes, I have feelings for her. I love her because I met her before you. But it is you I love. I love you more. I need you. It is you I want to spend the rest of my life with. Nobody else. You.
Abum, are you sure?
Choma, you can take me by my word. There is no one like you. No one can ever take your place in my heart.
Abum, are you sure?
Yes. You can take me by my words. Nobody can ever take your place in my heart. I love you so much.
And I love you more. I love you.
Stop! Stop! Bring me down!
Hold on.
You like dinners? I was telling her she don't even miss this girl. Don't mind. Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my prince.
Such a handsome prince.
He was truly born to be a king. But his strange illness will not leave him alone. I believe he just recovered from that sickness.
His condition is really a pathetic one.
But wait, oh. Does it mean there is no cure to his ailment?
My sister, I don't understand the situation. Go.
Amaka.
Sorry. You be looking at.
Miri maram, ebenne chodimo. Miri maram, ebenne chodimo. Miri maram, amaram mano wutayim.
Obim.
My love.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Have you been here for so long?
Yeah, I've been waiting since the rain started.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
I went to check my trap.
Oh, how was it?
This is for you.
Oh, my love. I will help you do justice to it.
Add enough pepper.
I know. I know how you like it. Okay.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
Sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. A young man will be coming here tomorrow with his people to ask for your hand in marriage. So, get yourself ready to accept his proposal. Mama, I do not know what you're talking about. I do not know the man. And so, does it matter? But how can I accept a marriage proposal of a man I know nothing about?
Will you shut up and keep quiet? Look, tomorrow you must accept and follow him. If you try anything funny, Adure, I will deal with you. I will kill you in this house. Will you get out of my sight?
I'm not marrying anymore.
Look at her. Let her marry now. Let us enjoy our life.
That is what I want.
Campus again.
Wait! You cannot imagine the look in her face when my mother told her about the suitor. I could not hold my laughter. I was laughing. I was so laughing that I had headache.
I can imagine. Finally, the gods have answered my prayer. Because I cannot wait for her to be married. So I can come and ask for your hand in marriage.
So you mean if she does not get married, you will not propose to me?
Of course it's not like that. You know it is you I love. I was only hoping to just come and marry you off peacefully. I want to avoid causing trouble in your house.
Are you sure?
My love, you do not have to doubt me. You know I love you very much.
Well, I believe you. Look, I cannot wait for tomorrow to come to see how the marriage rite would go. You know what? It is going to be the greatest entertainment to view. See, Adure. Oh, please, take this drink.
Greetings.
Greetings. What is your name?
I am Adure.
Adure, I usually see you around. I know this might sound strange, but you are not supposed to be with the man you have chosen.
Please wait. What is your name?
My name is Nana, the son of no man.
What is the meaning of what you just told me?
You just need to be careful.
Adure. Mama. Adure. Adure. You see this man? You must marry him. Mama, I will not. Listen to me. You must marry him. You must go with him today. Mama, Adure, come here.
Mama, I am not going to marry this man.
Hey, Adure, tell me, since all your life, have you seen any man as handsome as this man? Mama. Hey, Adure.
Mama, leave me.
Adure,
Mama,
come here.
Mama, leave me. Oh.
Hey.
Mama, happen. I will not marry this man.
Hey, Adure, allow me to join my marriage. You must go. Ijoma, you are there looking at me. Eh? You are there smiling. You must, my in-law, Ogo, wait, she's coming. Mama, let me alone. Mama, let me alone. Mama, let me alone. Let me have peace in my home. Papa.
What is happening here? I'm asking you, what is happening here?
Nai, Kiakwan, welcome, Nai. I'm a manager of my. Welcome, Nai. Can you imagine Adure? This handsome man, he has been coming here since you traveled to Ikunegi. This young man has been asking for Adure's hand in marriage. I said, since you are not around, let me help her and secure the golden opportunity. Now, look at her. She's a full grown-up woman. Now, she needs to settle down and start bearing her children. And I'm telling her she's refusing this man. As I can say. Welcome, Nai. No. That is it.
My people, I am the father of the girl you came to seek her hand in marriage. Please, you people can leave.
But Ogo,
no. Please, just leave. I will send a message through my wife to you. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Excuse me. Please, come and take your keg of wine.
But in-law, it's a free will.
Don't worry, I know, but go with your keg of wine. There's no problem with it. I am so disappointed in you for what happened today. That shows lack of respect to my personality as your husband. And as the man of the house. How dare you? How dare you tell me that you are now in charge in my own house while I'm still breathing?
The mama, be good. Because my Aram, be good. Please forgive me. See, I promise. I will never do it again. I promise.
Of course you will never. Else I will send you back to your father.
Please.
And now listen good. This will be the last time you take action in this house without my permission. Who gave you the order? Then concerning the sale of Adura in this house, I brought her here. And this is my own house. Before her father died, I promised him that I would take good care of this girl. Are you hearing me? Now, the warning I'm giving you now, make sure you give the same warning to your daughter. Never again will you people oppress Adura in this house. Do you hear me? This house is mine.
This is nice.
Do I make myself clear? I will not like to repeat this word again. Do you hear me? Now leave my presence.
Nkem, who is this young woman approaching? Nebiko Cello, please come.
Her name is Adore. That's all I know about her. My princess, I know nothing about her. You called me.
I admire your beauty. And your name suits your prettiness as well.
My princess, I'm flattered. But I must confess that your beauty is beyond comparison.
A compliment well received. But I must not keep you waiting with loads on your head.
Thank you, my princess.
We shall see some other time.
Thank you, my princess.
Go well. She will make a good wife for my brother. What do you think?
Beauty is of noble class. And I think Ugoeze cannot wait to meet her, my princess.
My princess, she is good so long the prince will accept her.
My princess, this one cannot shake.
Let's go home. I have to talk to my brother about her. Let's go.
Nam. Oh.
Nam. You made my favorite. Come, let's eat.
I'm almost done, eh? I will join you.
I insist. Come, let's eat.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey, Namo. Hey. You like it?
My favorite.
My love. Obim, my mother is asking more about you these days.
Yes. It's time for me to come and see your people.
My love, what are you trying to say?
We've come a long way. Your people should be my people, and my people should be your people. What I'm trying to say, it's time for me to come and ask for your hand in marriage.
My love, I have for so long prayed for this day to come. I will be so happy to be your wife.
Obi, you are a beautiful woman. We deserve each other.
Yes, we do, my love. We do.
All right.
My love, I am so happy that I have lost my appetite.
Lost your appetite?
Yes.
I know how to bring it back.
Obi, what do you want to do?
I have always known Adure to be a willful woman. So I had fear she would not fall for that plan to marry her off. This is a bad situation.
My love, what are you trying to say? Huh? Does it mean you will not marry me? Honestly, I do not understand this condition.
Ijoma, be patient with me.
Be patient.
Remember, I have been with her before we became lovers.
So what are you trying to say? I don't get it.
Look, as it stands now, it doesn't even matter if I've been with her before I met you.
Are you sure about the things you are saying to me? I do not want you to leave me for her, please. I want you. I don't want you to leave me for her.
Of course. You know I truly love you. Believe me when I tell you, it is you my heart desires. You and no other person.
Then, make haste to come for my hand in marriage. Please, stop considering her. Act like a man.
I am a man. And I will make you proud. I will delay no further.
Are you sure?
Of course. You know I love you.
And I love you too.
And you're beginning to smile. Come here.
Thank you.
Nekadu.
Adima.
You're welcome.
Please wait. Can I ask you a question? When you told me I should be careful with Obum, why did you say that? Did you see anything he was doing wrong?
I only told you what is necessary.
I appreciate your advice, and it was kind of you. But I want to know what prompted you to say those words to me.
Do you doubt me?
No. At first. But I just saw my sister with Obum.
Love and destiny. Love and destiny.
And we like it, yeah? You like it? Don't you trust your mother again?
Mama,
Oh, well.
How are you? It's nice.
Oh, well. I know the one goes to carry the car. The pepper is too much.
I'm also.
Don't you trust your mother again? Oh, well. Again.
Adure, why are you looking at me in that manner? Why?
Adure, what is the problem? And why are you looking at your sister in such manner? Eh?
Adure, I am not comfortable anymore. I am not comfortable. I don't like the way you're looking at me. If there's anything I did to you, why not say it? Say it!
Ada, I know you must be very angry with us because of the way we treated you in the past. Please, forgive us. Inugo, Bara. You are not our slave, and we must not treat you like one. Onwam. Henceforth, I shall treat you like one of us. Oh, I promise to make you happy. Onwam, I come and join us. Oh, Ada, Onwama. Oh, no. Come and eat. Oh. Ijoma. Ijoma. I don't trust you. Ijoma. Ijoma.
Mama.
Hey! Ijoma, you must have done something very bad to her.
useless to make her look at you in such manner.
Mama Biko, I did not do anything to her. I did not do anything to her. Even if I did something wrong to her, she should have said it to my face than shooting me in the eyes with her evil eyes. Apumo, can you hear?
Hey!
Apukwan makao.
Ijoma. Anya on enekwe giba anya ojo.
Mama, so he finally proposed to you?
Yes, Mama, he did. I'm so happy right now. So happy.
You should be. Nana is a nice man.
He is.
So any maiden he proposes to marry should count herself very lucky.
Mama, I'm lucky. I'm so lucky. In fact, I'm the luckiest.
You know what?
Yes, Mama.
I'll go now and tell your uncle so that he will be aware of it.
Mama, I can't wait to be called his wife. Unye Nana. Nemezi nganga. Nemi nyanga.
I'm happy for you.
Oh. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Go now, go and inform them now.
I'll go and tell your uncle.
Daisy. So, because of this so-called beautiful maiden, you brought me out here in the cold of the day. How are we even sure she's going to cross our path today?
Oh, guys, just want you to be patient. Just be positive. If today passed and we did not see her, we'll just find a way to find out where she stays.
All right. Okay.
See that she's worth it.
I can't wait.
When you see her, you like her. I'm telling you.
All right.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Greetings, my princess. I'm happy to see you strong and hearty.
We thank the gods. I can see your hands are blessed. Blessed from the providence of the gods.
Yes, may the gods be praised.
This inchi, they're actually very big. Bigger than all the inchi I've ever seen. They catch my eyes. Do you sell them?
Yes, I hunt and sell for a living.
Fair enough. I must get one for my consumption. Ada, what do you think?
I think then she looks very big and
So how much do you sell them?
No, my prince, you can have this as a token of appreciation for the gods.
But we can pay for it. How much?
Accept it as my own little kindness.
Please, what is your name? Nana. Thank you very much. May the gods continue to bless you.
Oh, the gods are kind. The gods are kind. Please come in. The very person we've been waiting for. I told you she's going to pass here.
My prince, I have to go now.
Okay, sorry. Thank you once again. Okay, I am accepting this meat as a hand of friendship. It is well accepted.
Thank you, my prince.
But when the gods arise, mirrors or gamata, oh, love and destiny.
Greetings, my princess.
I have been waiting for you, Adru.
Waiting for me?
Yes.
I should not have kept the princess waiting if she has sent for me.
It's okay. Ugeze, meet Adure. Adure, this is Ugeze, my papa.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. I have heard so much about you.
I must say you beat all my expectations.
Thank you, my prince.
Please, can we take a walk while we discuss?
Yes.
Let's go.
Do you like her?
I don't just like her. She's what more than good.
That means you have to give me all this inch.
Sorry.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Destiny can be delayed.
Oh, Malicham.
Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied.
Obim. Obim, Kedisifo. Obim, what is it? Ada, I have never seen you this angry before. Please, whatever it is, tell me. I might have wronged you unknowingly.
Yes, you wronged me. And not only that, you killed my heart. You stabbed me.
How? I mean, you might be wrong. Whatever anybody told you about me is absolutely nothing but gossip. You know me.
Gossip. Gossip, right? I saw you 3 days ago in the bush with my sister. Is that a gossip? I heard everything you people discussed. Abum, I loved you. I loved you to the extent if you had opened up to me that you needed my sister just to be happy, I would have sacrificed the love I have for you just for you to be happy. But you chose to lie to me and hold me behind. You made me an object of caricature before my sister. But you promised you love me, right? Okay? You promised me that you love me. But you never meant it. You never meant it. See? I don't want you again. Yes. I've cried my eyes out on the secret. And I've moved on. I've moved on with my life. And I suggest you move on too. Please, stay away from me.
Adure,
stay away from me. Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me in your life again. You can have her. Don't you ever. Don't touch me.
Adure, I'm sorry.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka ewo. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the ghosts arise, oh, love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka ewo. Love and destiny.
But that is by the way. My father has decided to cut off the son of no man from our lineage.
That's a good step. We'll finally kick him out. The son of no man.
Finally, my plans are coming through.
Nandi, I do not understand the reason for your anger. What has come over you? The land in question was given to me by my late husband.
Your late husband, my brother. My brother is no more. He is no more. Nana is a son of no man and does not belong to you. I am the Ibe that you see. So I am telling you that I do not want to see you farm on any of the lands.
Why? I asked you, why?
And you are asking me why?
Yes.
Because you do not deserve anything. You do not deserve the lands. You do not deserve anything good. You have no son from my late brother. You brought a son whose origin we do not know. We do not know even if he's an Osu, an outcast. Do you know what that means? It is a stench on my late brother's name, and I will do everything within my power to ensure that that shame is purged out from my lineage.
I married to my husband because I could not conceive. Your late brother, you speak for, called him son, and I expect you to call him same. He is part of us.
Hey! Stop it! Now listen, woman. Listen. You heard what my father said. We do not want to see you or your son close to that farmland. A son who we do not know his origin. Warn him. Warn him! Do not say I did not warn you. If we ever see him close, we will kill him and nothing will happen. He is the son of no man! No man! Papa, let's go!
That's it. You heard it? That's fine.
He is the son of no man!
Stop, not anymore. You want me to die of laughter?
Oh, well, if you say so.
Better.
So, what actually are we going to discuss then?
Anything, please. Anything, but don't make me laugh again. Like, maybe tomorrow, but today, no. No.
All right. You know,
Yeah.
my father used to tell me that the reason two lovers will never get tired of each other is because they have more than just enough to talk about themselves.
Are you saying that we are lovers?
Not yet. But that is what I want from you. You know, the gods are wise. And the gods, in their wisdom, brought us purposely to become one.
Do you believe in destiny?
Yes. Destiny is the fairness and the unfairness of the gods to mankind.
Interesting. So tell me more about it.
You know, to some people, they have horrible destinies. They struggle with it all the days of their lives. Why to some other people that have a better destiny, they live lavishly, not knowing what the gods did for them. You know, destiny tends to share in the belief that the gods are actually unfair.
Are you indirectly referring to your health?
Yes. Honestly, I am among the people that believe that the gods are actually unfair in apportioning destiny to mankind. But I don't want to dwell on that philosophy anymore. I have found something that orchestrates my life and makes me want to live. Forget all the pains, all the burdens I have borne all my life.
You love me because your sister chose me. Is it not so?
No. I am the prince. I'm the heir apparent to the throne of Umachala Kingdom. I have the power to choose. My sister Adeze did not necessarily choose you. She only found you. When I met you, my heart felt at home.
So, are you saying that destiny has found us?
Yes. I never knew I could feel so contented after all I've been through in life. I'm very lucky to meet you.
I've waited for you for long.
The gods are wise. We'll always be together.
Who did this? I was here 2 months back, and this land was not cultivated. Did mother do this without my consent? She knew I can do this. So why would she do it without telling me?
Greetings. I hope all is well.
All is not well. Where's Nkechi, your daughter?
I sent her to the market. I hope no problem.
There's a problem. That young man I've heard is coming to ask for a hand in marriage. It will not work. Omal.
Why?
Woman, I do not owe you any explanation. Nana is a son of no man. He cannot marry my niece.
Nani, what did you hear?
Tell her. I don't want to see that boy in this compound.
Why? Nani, why? Nana. Nana.
Obio.
Nam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You don't look bright.
My love. There is a problem.
A problem?
Yes.
What is it? How is your mother? I hope she's fine.
Yes, my mother is fine. But I want to ask you something. My love, please. Who is your father? Please, my love, I did not mean to annoy you. My uncle went to my mother and told her we cannot marry because nobody knows who your father is. Please, I need to know. I did not see the reason to ask before, but I really want to know. My love, please, talk to me. Who is your father?
Your uncle is right. I am a son of no man.
The son of no man. Oh, akpọrọ ya nwanne enweghị nna. Ewo. The son of no man. Akpọrọ ya nwanne baguru. Ewo.
My son, do not let it trouble you so much. Let's go in. As you can see, the rain is coming.
Don't worry, Mama. I'm fine here. I have already accepted my fate long time ago as the son of no man. Are you the one that cultivated our land? The one on the road to the stream?
Nnamdi and the son came to warn us to stay away from all the land. I didn't tell you because I don't want you to confront them.
You don't want me to confront them. Uncle Nnamdi wants to take what belongs to us, and you are saying you don't want me to confront them. Are you not scared of hunger?
Son, the gods are kind, and they will provide for us. Let it go.
I won't. My father showed me those lands before he died. He did that because he knew Uncle Nnamdi is wicked and will rise against us someday. Over my dead body, will he take what rightfully belongs to me?
What do you want to do? You cannot fight him because the elders will support him.
I don't care who the elders support. I will fight with the last drop of my blood. In fact, I will warn him to stay away from those lands.
Nana, don't. Nana, please. Please, please, please let it go. Please, my son. Please, let it go. Please. Please.
Obugenio kawambiari jemeru mweluwa. Ewo onwegi nsogbu. Hana choyo kunebu iro na kwayemu.
So this palm wine is sweet. It is sweet. It must be Okafor's palm wine. Obo Okafor's palm wine. Nkebo Okori's own is the one. Okay, is it Okori's palm wine?
Listen, my mother told me how you came to our house and confronted her. Now listen and listen attentively. Never in your diabetic life will you insult or confront my mother again. Over my dead body will you take what rightfully belongs to me. Stay away from those lands. Else, what will fight you will be bigger than you.
What did you just say?
You heard me loud and clear. Stay away from those lands. Else, what will fight you will be bigger than you. And who are you talking to in that manner?
Who are you talking to?
I will bab you.
Ah!
Eche,
my son.
No!
Eche, my son. Eche. Don't worry yourself. Nana, let me tell you a story about your life, in case your foster mother did not tell you. When you were born, you came with a curse. In fact, when you were born, you were dragged in out of your mother's belly. And that is why, till date, you walk with a limp. Moreover, your mother gave birth to you through prostitution. And that is why nobody knows your father.
Nobody.
I am surprised, baffled, how Adako was able to convince my late brother to bring you in out of nowhere. Bear in mind that a child born out of wedlock and without a father has no inheritance in the land. He is a son of no man.
Bam. Thanks for the insult, but I am not here for history. For the very last time, stay away from those lands. Else, I will disfigure your face. As for you, I will bab you.
Papa! In case. Come.
Papa! No! Papa, I will not take this! From a man with one leg! Bro! Let me deal with him!
That boy is evil, no. I warn all of you. Don't go near him.
Zekwe, stop saying that.
Okay.
You think our strength, you can compare our strength with that of Eche. Eche will destroy him, massacre him and kill him. Forget it. My boy, you are strong. I know. Yes!
A little boy.
Nkechi, my daughter. If it is another thing that is coming in between the two of you, but in this situation, there's no remedy. I'm afraid there's nothing I can do about it. Mama, I'm in love with Nana. I'm in love with him. Please, Mama. I love him with all my heart, all my being. I don't know why this is happening to us. Mama, why is it happening to us? No one is without a father. No one. I can't tell why they give him such hopeless status. But Mama, please. Nemo, Biko. Please, something has to be done. Mama, something has to be done about this. Please. Mama, please. Please. I love him.
Hey. Chomi melalo. Eh? Imelalo. Hey.
Mama, I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I do not know how I got into this, but I never knew I could end up getting this hurt. Now my heart bleeds from the guilt I feel.
Hey, how will you know? Hey, Joma, tell me, how will you know?
When you were busy, Nagari, pium. Can't you see that what you did is despicable?
I know, Mama. I know my action was sinful. I have condemned myself enough. that I cannot stand someone else condemning me. Please tell me what to do. What should I do to leave this body?
Is everything okay?
Okay.
It's my princess.
Do you remember that hunter that gave us bushmeat the other day we went out with my brother?
Oh, the one that said his name is Nana.
Oh yes. You remind me of his name.
My princess, what about him?
Okay. You know you're the closest person to me.
I'm honored, my princess.
And I'm not going to hide anything from you. Okay, I have been thinking about him. And I think he's handsome.
Yes, he is, my princess.
And I think I am in love with him.
My princess, I think you need to find out if he has the same feelings for you. Before expressing yourself to him, don't you think so?
I think you're right.
Yes, my princess. Yes.
We need to see him again.
Yes, we need to.
Okay, you can now
Thank
go.
you, my princess.
Oh my God! Leave me alone! Amara, please. I need my cap. Please.
No. Not until you prove to me that you love me.
Oh, come on, Amara. I have proved that to you over 1,000 times. Okay? I love you, Amara. I love you.
No. Say I love you, my queen. Say it.
All right. I love you, my queen.
Say it again.
I love you, my queen, and I will always love you.
Then prove it.
All right.
Amara!
What?
What is it?
This looks so real.
What looks so real? What?
The prince. He was touching me. He just went down. He came up. He was just. My dream is gradually coming to pass.
Yes! Amara, what kind of a dream is that? That made you to be touching yourself like that? What? Yes!
My dream is coming to pass. I was shaking. He was looking at me.
Amara, you must be really out of your mind. Keep on dreaming.
Dreamer. I can. Yes!
That is good though. The princess deserves to be loved. If the man in question is good, then she will be happy.
My dear, she has already fallen in love with the man. I have no doubt the man is going to reciprocate her love for her. I mean, who wouldn't find himself lucky to be loved by a beautiful princess?
You are very correct. I agree with you. But I'm yet to know who the man is. Because love, they say, is a tyrant that spares no one. Yes. And I've never seen her falling for anyone before. Okay, this man you were talking about must be a very unique person.
He is. You need to see him. I'm happy for my princess.
I'm happy for her too.
So happy. So what is the gist? Gist me on a shaky. On a shaky.
On a shaky. Amara, we were actually talking about you. We were just imagining how you managed to get the prince's attention.
So you know. Oh my goodness! You know, whenever the prince looks at me, there's this light in his eyes that turns my life around. And whenever he looks at me, I am so happy. you know, I told you. And I am so happy. I know you're happy for me too.
Yeah, you said it. And didn't you see the prince is reciprocating the love?
Yes. So you noticed it?
We all noticed it.
Yes. I can't wait for him to propose to me.
Because if he does, I will say, yes, yes, yes. Both of you will be lucky to be my maids of honor.
I know. You like it, right? Chama, this is getting serious.
Honestly.
I hope that's not a statement of jealousy.
Amara, how can you say such a thing? You of all people should know we are suddenly behind you.
I know, and I am so happy. At least that stupid Adure will stop coming here. That girl is not shaking. I'm not a shake now. I am the shakeable shaker. On a shake.
Hey.
On a
shake.
I'll see you later.
Kim, can we go home now? I'm not sure he's going to pass here again.
My princess, just wait. I saw him coming this way. I'm sure he will pass here. Just wait a bit, please.
Okay.
Oh, look at him. He's finally here.
Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the ghosts arise,
Greetings, my princess.
And greetings to you too.
We meet again.
Yes.
How is your brother?
My brother is fine, but I have been waiting here to meet you again.
I hope all is well.
Yes. I thought you'd be happy to see me. That's why I've been standing here to see when you will pass.
Who wouldn't be happy to see the princess? I'm glad to see you.
Do you tell that to other maidens?
I have not seen any maiden who deserves my love expression.
Oh. You talk as if you knew I was waiting for you. And you sound so prepared.
A man is always prepared for what he wishes for.
And in essence, you're saying you wish to have me.
You are the princess. Who wouldn't?
Oh. Please, can you take a walk with me and tell me more? And tell me how you want to have me. Please.
Love and destiny.
You can tell me about your likes and what you don't. Because I know.
So,
My princess.
Greetings.
Greetings to you, Adure. I'm sure you're going to our house to see my brother. He has been waiting for you.
Yes, I'm going to see him. Greetings, Nana.
Adure, how are you?
I'm fine.
I think we have walked about enough for today. I have to go back home now.
Our stay was blissful.
It was worth it. I hope to see you again tomorrow.
I shall make out time.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess.
I'm being nervous.
Why?
Do you think your father will consider me as your ideal bride?
Who will not consider you an ideal royal bride? You were born for this. My father will be very happy to meet you.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, I am sure.
My prince, I brought food for you.
Thank you, Amara. Thank you very much.
My prince, I want to dance for you.
No, Amara, not now. As you can see, I am with my beautiful woman. I want to give her all the attention she deserves.
You're so benevolent with your words.
Adure, my father will be waiting. Let us eat, so we don't keep him waiting, okay? Are you okay?
Yes, my prince.
Okay, let's go and see my father.
Amara, what is it? Why are you so sad?
Simeon, can you imagine? Because of that stupid, useless Adure, the prince refused to give me attention. Can you imagine? Why? How?
Okay. But is that why you're this angry?
Why won't I be angry? Just give me 2 reasons why I should be happy. I took my food to him. Do you know what he told me? He said, please, excuse me, I'm with my beautiful woman. Who is the beautiful woman? Adure. And he refused to take my fruit. Can you imagine? Because of Adure. I'm trying to even figure it out. Can that girl shake? Only shake now.
Amara.
No, but you know. Look at me. Does she shake more than me? Look at it now. Does she shake? Can she shake more than me? Can she? Can she?
Hey.
On a shake now.
Amara. You and this your shaking will not kill somebody in this palace. Hey!
Are you laughing at me?
No, sorry. But keep shaking. Oh, I'm busy.
Can I be lying to myself? On a shake now. But I'm shaking now. Good morning.
Wanyoma, Nekedo?
I'm fine.
Don't be in a hurry now. I just want to talk to you. How are you?
What is it?
You know what I discussed with you the other time?
The other time?
Yes.
I can't remember.
You can't remember? Okay, don't worry, my dear. I will refresh your memory. You know, I told you that you are beautiful to me. Eh? If I can I would like to marry you.
And what did I tell you when you told me that?
Don't worry, I remember what you told me. Eh? And I told you to think more about it. Yes.
Think about it. There's nothing to think about, Ichie. I can't marry you. There's no reason to think about it.
But why?
In Ajun, why? What can Ajun, why? Ichie Kagonu, you're old. Ina anyuzi ina abammili.
Mwa.
Idra igonu.
Nka. How can I lose your ikenne? I'm still working. As you know, I have 4 wives. My younger wife, she's still younger than you. What are you saying? Go ask her. If Mechagin, Igafi.
Iba idra igo piko ina abazimmili.
Mama. Good morning, Mama.
Adu.
Ademma. I came to see you, Nana.
Hey. Adu.
Nana.
Please come and sit. This one you came to see me. I hope all is well.
All is well. Are you not happy to see me?
I'm happy to see you, just that you've not visited before.
Yes. I'm just bored at home, so I decided to come and see you.
You're welcome. What do I offer you?
Nothing. You did not go for hunting today?
No. I will go and set my traps later against tomorrow.
Okay.
How is Ugeze?
Ugeze is fine. How is Adeze?
Adeze is fine the last time I saw her.
I was surprised to see both of you.
Same here.
How?
I'm surprised the princess has interest in me. But I know it won't work because of my status as the son of Mama.
She came to you. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Do you love her?
Who wouldn't love the princess? I know she has interest in me, but it won't work because of my status as the son of Mama.
You surely have interest in her.
Adure, why are you being too curious? Is that something you're not telling me?
No. No. I'm sorry if I made you feel... If I'm curious about my questions, maybe I'll allow you to finish up.
Love and destiny. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied.
This is an abomination. How could such a thing happen and you're just letting me know of it? Eh? What do you take me for? Papa, I am asking you.
My son, take it easy.
Even you, Ichiopala. So you mean that son of no man harassed the both of you and you did not find it needful to tell me?
My son, this thing happened a long time ago, because...
Don't call me your son. Because you did not see me as one. Even if it happened a long time ago, you should have told me.
But when the last time I had a confrontation with him, did I not tell you?
Yes, and I confronted him and I gave him serious warning.
You did?
I am not only going to do that, but this time around, I will put serious fear in his head so that next time he sees an elder, he'll be respectful and humble.
Chelo, you mean you confronted Nana?
Yes. Papa, what is so surprising about it? Even the color of a chameleon is for survival, not for beauty. Papa, are you downgrading me? Eh? Here!
When you confronted him, what did he say? I mean, what did he do?
Nothing. What could he say? What would he do? He couldn't say Pim. He was so afraid.
Do you mean you want to go and confront him again?
Yes. And I will not only confront him, but this time I will remind him of his place in this land. He does not belong in this land. And it's high time someone reminded him of that. I will show him that even the colors of a chameleon are for survivors and not for beauty.
Let's go and see.
Where is he? Nana! Nana! Nana, come out and face me like a man! Where is he? Woman, where is your son?
Habum, what is it?
Stop answering me with questions! Where is your son? I demand to know where he is. Now! Your son forgot he has no place in this land and he goes about constituting nuisance.
What has come of
I will deal with him today! Useless! Hey! Chinek! Papa!
You mean Nana did this to you? This is unbelievable.
I did not even know how it happened. It just happened like that. But don't worry, he will have me to contend with. I will deal with him personally.
Ah! Ah! Mba! It is high time we cast him out of our land.
Yes, I totally agree with you. We have to cast him out of our land. Eche, don't worry. Nana will regret his action. You know me.
Ah! Can't believe he did this to you. Ah!
What?
How can a man do this to his fellow man? This is brutal. That Nana, that boy is a beast.
He's not just a beast. Nana is a fool. Man, I want my son. I want him.
But he was bragging that he will do this.
Hey, he was confident. No, I didn't know he was going to treat him like...
Look at him now.
Nana thinks he has won. Mba. He who fights and runs away
we live to fight another day. This fight will now continue.
And if they beat me another day, what happens?
Let's go. Go and treat your son.
Your Highness, he needs some fresh air. He may recover.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the gods arise, mirisorezo gamata. Oh, love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo.
The strange ailment keeps reoccurring, and each time it seems unbearable to me. Ugeze is my only brother, and the heir apparent to the throne. I don't know why the gods of our land will allow such infirmity to befall my brother. I don't know why, Nana. I don't know why.
God knows best. It's well. Greetings, Nne.
Greetings, Nne. Greetings. You are welcome. I have to go now. I'll see someone later.
All right. I will come and see you later.
The maiden with you is the Igwe's daughter. Who is the maiden that left earlier today?
Adure. She is well.
You must not have anything to do with the Igwe's daughter. Yes. The one you call Adure is better for you.
Adure is in love with the prince.
Then what plan do you have with Igwe's daughter?
I am the son of no man. I can't have the princess, even if I want. I know she loves me, but her love for me will hold no water.
You don't have to always call yourself that. You don't.
But that's who I am, the son of no man. He told me my father denied me and rejected my mother even before I was born. For that reason, I prefer to call myself that. I am the son of no man.
There is no one born without a man.
It makes no difference! It makes no difference.
There is none. There is none. Calm down. There is none. It's okay. Please. Please, one.
Greetings, Your Highness.
My princess.
Mother?
Who was that young man that came to visit Ugeze on his sick bed?
Oh, his name is Nana. He's a hunter. He's the one that gave us the meat we came home with some time ago. And he has been so generous to us.
Oh. The new friend he told us he met in the village?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. My princess.
Mama.
I noticed the way you were drawing yourself closer and closer to the boy. Is there anything you are not telling me? Talk to me, my daughter. You know, we don't keep any secret from each other.
Mama, your observations are true. He's the man after my heart. And I've not stopped thinking about him ever since I laid my eyes on him.
Has he made his intention known to you?
Not yet, Mama. And I'm very sure he likes me and he wants to be with me.
I think he's a good man. But my daughter, please, you have to be very, very careful. You know you are the princess. Because I wouldn't want you to make any mistake while choosing your husband.
Mama, I know he's good enough for me. Can't you see how happy he has made me?
I am happy for you, my daughter.
Thank
you. Let me see your brother.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka ya
It's well with you.
You sent for me?
Yes. Sit down. Your mother has told me about a young man your heart is yearning for. Is it so?
Yes, Papa.
That is a great development. It is good that at a point in every human life, man or woman, he falls or she falls in love and finds one who would love him or her. I am glad as you are aging. I mean, the way you are aging to maturity.
Papa, I know you have something to tell me. Just say it.
Yes, my daughter. It is only a fool who hears it is 6 and just chunks it into his pocket. When I heard of this, I made some investigations, as a good father or mother can do. And in my findings, I discovered that that man is not one you can mingle with. You can't be with him.
Why, Papa? At least I need an explanation.
Yes, daughter, I owe you that. I owe you that. You see, my daughter, it is not as if I am not in support of your happiness. But you see, that man in question is a son of no man, son of nobody. Nobody knows his family background. He was picked and raised by that woman he lives with, who he calls mother. No one knows who his father is, or whether he is an Osu.
Nana cannot be an Osu.
Oh yes, Nana cannot be an Osu. But who is his father? Who? Look, I will be the last, even as a king, to give out the hand of my own daughter in marriage to someone whose family background is not known by anyone. Never. See, daughter, it is not as if I don't know how you feel. I know you're feeling. But respect for your royal background should be paramount in your consideration. Over the years, we have been very unfortunate. The gods have never been so kind to us. What bothers your brother's health has been a threat to this throne. The throne that has been in our lineage for generations. I am thinking that you should share in the grief the family has been passing through than creating another one.
I've heard you, Papa.
Good. Good. Now you may go.
The son of no man. The son of no man.
Adure, what is it? You look excited. What is it?
I got the news from the palace that Ugeze is well and on his feet.
Are you serious?
Yes.
May the gods be praised. Let's go and see him. May the gods be praised. Let's go and see him.
Okay. Let's go.
Love and destiny.
Your Highness, he is now well.
My son. I am happy you're back on your feet. Thanks to the gods.
My prince.
Friend.
So it's true. May the gods be praised.
My friend, it's so kind of you to come and visit me. Thank you. May the gods of our land bless you.
Say, I promised to get a bushmeat so we can celebrate your recovery.
My friend, that will be appreciated.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming to see me. Thank you for coming to see me.
No. I can no longer be with you. It is my greatest wish to spend the rest of my life with you. I feel so burdened that now it's not going to be possible.
You do not have to cry, my princess.
But my heart bleeds. I love you so, so much, Nana.
I love you from the deepest part of my heart. But you can't disobey your father. He means well for you.
I know, but I'm nothing without you, Nana. I am nothing. Can I ask you for one favor?
Go ahead.
Can you please close your eyes? Please.
Akpọrọ ya nwanne enweghị nna, ewo. The son of Akpọrọ ya nwanne abaghị uru, ewo. The son of
Nana, why was the princess crying?
Her father told her she can't get married to the son of no man.
Nana, my son, I am truly sorry for all you are going through.
No. You don't have to. I was 19 years old when Papa Nuku died. And he made me promise him that I will never at any point in time question or fight you about who my father is. That promise I will keep for the rest of my life. It's my burden. Let me carry it.
I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. Son, I am sorry. I'm so sorry.
Don't need to. You don't. It's not your fault. Are you regretting why you picked me up as a toddler?
No. Never. I can't regret doing that. I can't. And I won't ever regret doing it. I am sorry.
No! Do not tell me sorry. It's not your fault. I blame the man that denied and rejected me even before I was born. It's not your fault. Whether he's dead or alive, I don't need his apology anymore.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. The princess has not been happy, and it gives me concern.
But why can't she be with him? Why?
I do not know exactly. Perhaps her father thinks he does not deserve her.
Well, it is true, I believe. Because not everybody deserves royalty. Yes, it's not easy now. It's not now. I am so happy because that stupid, useless Adre will not smell the palace.
Why would you bring the prince into this discussion?
But it's the same thing now. It's the same thing. What is good for the goose is equally good for the gender. You see that Adure? She will not come here at all.
Amara, and who deserves the prince?
Of course you know it is me. Even the gods have approved it. You know.
Please, Amara, Biko, don't even start. You hear? Don't even start. You must know that it's not always about you. We are talking about something very important here. Must you bring your baseless affection for the prince in this matter?
Did you just call my affection business? No. You just called my affection business. I can see you are jealous. Yes.
Wait, Amara, jealous of who?
Me. Because you know I love the prince and the feeling is mutual. Both of you are jealous because you cannot shake. I can't shake. Jealous people.
Amara.
What?
You're just a dream. You know what? You're mainly building castles in the air.
Please stare. Now watch my dream come true. What is it? Eh?
I just want to know, is it, did you reject my proposal because of that boy? Because of that son of no man, Nana, who can't even offer you anything?
Wait, Cherigodi. Ichie, is that why you're telling me run the village just to monitor who I'm going out with? Eh?
I'm not trailing you.
Hey, Ichie, let me tell you. I wish Nana had interest in me. I would have chosen over 100 times better than you. Yes, than to consider you in my thoughts. Ichie Nawa girl, for the last time, stop following me around. Because
you must be out of your mind to talk to me like that. What's wrong with you?
Like you said, if actually I'm out of my mind, I would have considered you. But no, I'm not out of my mind. Stop telling me about this, so. I won't marry you, Ichie. I won't marry you. Get out of my house.
I said, come.
Stop playing me around, though. Ichie! Mama!
Eh? Hey.
Mama! Mama, come on!
Horrible. Nana. 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 Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. I came to look for Nana.
He went for hunting. It's not long he left.
Okay. I'll be going home now. Please tell him that I came looking for him.
Okay, I will. Wait a little. Please sit, my daughter. Sit down for a little conversation. I have a very personal question for you, my daughter.
I'm listening, Mama.
You're a friend to my son.
Yes, Mama.
Good. Do you love my son?
Nana and I are just friends. And he knows I'm seeing someone, Mama.
He told me so. I know. But I want you to answer me. Like I said, it's a personal question. Listen to your heart. I'll keep this secret between us. Yes.
Mama, I love Nana. I love him so much that I wish he knew. But the truth is, my love for him is not important. Because we're not destined to be together.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka ewo. Love and destiny.
Mama, any problem?
No, nothing. Nothing. I thank you so much for your sincerity.
Yes, Mama.
Like I said, I'll keep this to myself. Okay? Your secret is safe with me.
Okay, Mama. I have to leave.
It's okay, my daughter.
Please tell him I came looking for him.
I will.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka ewo. Akpọrọ ya nwanne enweghị nna ewo. The son of no man. Akpọrọ ya nwanne abaghị uru ewo.
Adure.
I'm going to the farm to get something before I sighted you. What are you doing here?
I'm resting.
I know what happened between you and Adeze. Must have hurt you so much.
I was expecting that beforehand. My status as the son of no man has brought me so much pain, sorrow, and agony. If not for my mother, I would have left this land and go to somewhere very far where my status would hurt me no more.
Well, truly life is unfair. But it is worth it if you could find something to live for. And if you truly value your mother so much, you can as well consider it a reason you breathe and forget your sorrows.
How is Ugeze?
Ugeze fares no better than any of us. He has been brooding. And it gives me so much concern that I have suited for all means, but it's not working.
I feel his pain.
Ifeanyi Chukwu, Ifeanyi Chineke, o nweghị ihe ga-anyị Chukwu, n'ezie, n'ezie, o nweghị ihe. Hey! Oluchi.
What is the gossip all about?
I should be asking you, is there something you're not telling us?
Something like what? What are you talking about?
So you're even trying to hide it, right?
Hide what?
Pretender. So you mean you've been seeing Echozona all this while? The Mazin Namdi. You never bother to tell us? We, your friends?
So that is it. Oh, for your own interest, yes. I've been seeing him. But it's not what you think.
Okay, so you're not even trying to deny it at all, Amaka?
Deny what? I have been seeing Eche. Yes.
So it's true.
Yes, it's true. But we just started talking.
Liar. Liar. I don't believe you.
I don't believe you. I don't believe that you don't have anything to do with it.
Look.
I don't believe that you guys are just saying.
Amaka, it is your life and your choice. Anyway, as far as it makes you happy, it's okay.
Thank you a lot for that. It is my life and it's my choice. And it's also my Eche. Echem. Yes, I'm the only one at home. She went out before my friends came to see me. I hope you're not in a hurry.
No, I came here to see you.
I missed you. Oh, so.
Hey,
Amaka, we have to be on our way.
Hey, no worry.
All of a sudden.
Yes, so that you can have time to enjoy your good company.
No problem, eh? Kashifu. Take care.
The friends are hilarious.
Those gossip bears. How are you? You help me up. I'm arranging firewood. You have to help me up. I'm arranging this firewood. Yes, baby.
Nkechi,
Nana,
how are you and where are you going to?
I'm good. I was actually on my way to your house.
Really? Here I am.
Who is she?
Her name is Adure.
Is she your woman?
You said you were on your way to my house.
Yes. I wanted to inform you that I'm about to get married.
Mm-hmm.
My marriage ceremony will be happening in the next half a day.
Are you serious? You're getting
then,
married?
Yes.
Congratulations. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. Ma'am, please help me and inform Mama. Tell her I'll come and visit her later.
I will. May the gods be with you.
And you too.
Sweetie. Ooh. Oh, my love. Stop! Nana. Sister, this is huge. Hey, take one for us because I'm taking this one home.
Yes, sister.
Are you serious? You know what? I'll go home before you to show it to Mama. She can't wait. This is big. Yeah. Thank you. Nana, thank you. Let's go. This is big. Big, right?
Yeah.
Open them. Why are you this sad?
Ichie, Okpala, your observation is true.
Hey, it's written all over you. Look at your countenance. What's the problem?
Ichie, is he not that son of no man? I think the elders of this land needs to do something and chase him out of our land.
What has he done this time around?
Ichie Okpala, you should be asking me what he has not done. I think the elders of this land have forgotten their duties to safeguard this land from miscreants. But I want to assure you people that the more we allow that son of no man remain in this land, there are higher possibilities that he will rule us one day.
My son, it seems like you are my thoughts. How do you know what I have in mind? Huh? I have a plan already. But you know, they say a single bracelet does not jingle.
Yes.
Hmm? And then by that, you know, say, and you call my medon or bow. So let's put it together.
Ichie, whatever plans we need to do has to be executed immediately. We need to chase him out of our land immediately. Anything to just get rid of him.
Come, let me tell you something.
Eh.
Come, my son. You see, we are going to discuss and
That boy has beaten more than he can chew. We have endured him enough in this land. But now that I have a plan, like the doc say, you fall for me, I fall for you. Then it is play. We almost fall in line to make this plan work.
Ishe Okpala, you do not have to worry about my own part. I support this cause. I will do everything within my power to make it a success.
Yes, you are the son of your father. And you must know, your father is in full support of this plan. Obum, hope you know what you should do as the youth leader.
Ichie Okpala, wood already touched by fire is not hard to set alight. Leave the rest to me. Onumane, soon you should know how bad I needed this plan to work.
That is good. We don't have time. The time is now.
Ichie Okpala,
You will allow me to finish my drink before acting on it.
Come on, go on and finish your drink. Enjoy yourself. There's more drinks if you want more. Come on, go ahead.
Son of no man.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. You need to see the way he was looking at me.
You?
I know the prince loves you.
Okay. Oh. Amara, I hope you're not going to do anything stupid.
Okay, shake Kikita. Just watch me.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of our land. Where are you up to?
Do not even open that your brown teeth and fake that smile with me. Don't! Please, I'm begging you. What?
What happened? Why are you bitter?
Me? Bitter? You want to know why I'm bitter? You want to know why I'm bitter? Okay, I will tell you. Nne, or whatever your name is called. You cannot come from nowhere that you want to date the prince. It's not possible now. It's not possible. You will go back to where you are coming from. Leave the prince alone, though. Leave him alone because it is not going to work. You have heard me.
Amaru, what is the matter with you? You don't need to be this rude to her.
I have spoken to her. If she has ears, let them hear. Use them well.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry. Don't mind her. She can be this rude at times. Please, don't take her words.
It's okay. It's okay. I am fine. Okay. So how is Ugeze?
Oh, he's fine. And Adeze. Everyone is fine.
Okay. Tell them that I'll be coming to home to see them.
All right. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Amara.
What? What?
This your stupid love for the prince will put you into trouble one day.
I don't care. I don't care.
Amara, is it me you're talking to?
My prince, I have come to entertain you. What will you have me do? Do you want me to dance for you or I should sing?
Amara,
My prince.
I am not in the mood for any of your entertainment.
My prince, you don't look happy. I want to make you happy. Your happiness is what matters to me right now.
And I said I'm not in the mood. Just go away.
My prince. I love you. Yes. Yes, I do. I've been keeping this to myself all the while, but it's true. My prince, I know even the gods knows that this feeling is true. Nobody deserves you better than me. I can't shake. Look at me.
Amara,
My prince.
it is not a bad thing to have feelings for someone. But I want to let you know that emotion is solely personal and can be managed. Whatever feelings you think you have for me, I don't need it. You can either kill it.
Prince,
Don't speak while I'm speaking. Don't ever express your feelings to me again. Get out.
But can I still shake first?
I said, get out!
Youths of Amachala.
We are here.
The task we are about to embark on is our duty as the youths of this entire kingdom. We cannot allow someone who does not belong here to occupy our land and grow wings. It will be a thing of shame if we allow the son of no man to occupy our land and in the long run challenge us. Our fellow youth will think we are not representing them well. So it's time to take action. We must do something about it. Because our people say, do you agree with me?
We agree.
Good. The elders are already on their way. We shall wait for them. And as soon as they join us, we'll go together and confront that son of no man and chase him out of our land. Onye akpara nwa agwa aka n'ọdụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ onye akpara nwa agwa aka n'ọdụ 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 onye akpara nwa agwa aka n'ọdụ
ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ
onye akpara nwa agwa aka n'ọdụ
ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ.
What brings them to our house? What is it? What do you want from us? Ndiche, what is the problem?
The youth have a message for you people.
Bam. Nana, the son of no man. Today is the day of judgment for you. We, the youths of Amachala, have decided that you will leave our land. You do not belong here.
Yes.
And we are here to tell you that you have overstayed your welcome.
Bam.
Yes. Okay?
Yes.
I see. Hichiabala. Mazindama. So this is your plan to destroy him? Hmm?
Only a foolish cat will challenge a tiger just because they look alike. None of you is in the position to judge me.
I warn you! You cannot withstand us! Nana! You cannot!
Anabalagumba.
Ndai kaka na baraimba. Ndai kaka na baraimba. Ndai kaka
na baraimba.
Ndai kaka
na baraimba.
Ndai kaka na baraimba. Ndai kaka na baraimba. Ndai kaka na baraimba.
Son, don't do son.
I said, what is going on here? Is my father aware of this?
My prince, we are just trying to settle a small family issue.
Oh yes, my prince.
Yes.
It's a lie. My prince, they are here to intimidate their generation, not me.
Yes.
My father must hear about this. I'll get out.
Good. Leave. Leave. Work hard. Welcome, my prince.
Thank you, mother. I hope you're okay.
Fine. Bless
I've never seen my brother so embittered ever since he recovered from his ailment. He has been so miserable and sad, and has infected our home with sad mood.
So where is he now?
Nobody knows his whereabouts, and he does not want to be comforted. And that's what makes it worse. My mother has been worried, and I'm afraid if anything happens to him, my mother might not survive it.
I'm worried too. It seems he has started avoiding me. I don't know where to see him.
And I do not know where he is. He has shut everybody out, including me, his sister. Ugeza has never been like this ever since our growing up.
It's okay. I'll find out time to talk to him and equally know the problem.
Please, I am counting on you. As it stands now, only you can get him to talk so that we'll know what troubles him.
It's all right. I'll talk to him. I'll be going to the market.
Ngwano, I will let him know you are here.
Please do that.
Okay, Gankoma.
Thank you very much, my prince.
Call me friend. I see you as a brother I never had, so call me brother instead.
All right. Thank you very much, my son. Thank you very much, my brother.
I admire your bravery. How you stood your grounds against all odds, even as a son of no man. I envy your strength and confidence. You are such a strong breed.
Thank you very much, my brother.
I will present your case to my father. I will make sure he does something concerning your so-called status as a son of no man. You are a son of the soil. You deserve some respect. I will make sure no man ever calls you that again.
You are indeed my brother. Thank you very much. That's so kind of you.
Adure deserves such a man like you.
But she's already with you, and no one deserves her better, more than me.
Why? Because I'm the prince? My father's status as the king of this land has nothing to do with my personal life. I am just an ordinary individual who struggles to breathe and live like every other normal human being. Meeting Adure added so much value to my miserable life. But for how long? For how long will I be with her? Adure deserves someone that will always be there for her. Someone like you. I have never been there. I have only struggled to be there for her. For this time, I have no more strength left inside of me to struggle.
You speak with a heavy heart, my brother.
Yes. And that is why I came to see you. So I could share my burdens with you. But now I have to go. My parents will be worried about me.
Once again,
Thanks for your love and concern. I
appreciate. My praise. Thank you so much for your visit. We appreciate.
Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the gods arise, miracles are gamata. Oh, than destiny.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh.
I'm fine.
You kept all of us worried.
I'm sorry, sister.
Please don't do it again. Huh? Let's go.
Father, Mother, please, I'm sorry. Mother, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry for getting both of you worried. Please.
That's all right. So where are you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
You mean the hunter?
Yes, Mother. You're very correct.
Do you mean the one they call the son of no man?
Yes, Father. Father, I had a fight today with some elders and the youth. They tried to suppress him for no just cause, Father. Father, please. I want you to intervene in this case concerning him and the king's men. Please, Father. Nobody should be called the son of no man in this land because nobody actually is, Father. Please. It is very humiliating and degrading. I want you to intervene. Please, I beg you, Father. Mother, please.
I never knew or heard there is any dispute in this community in his regards. Well, I will look into it. I will find out tomorrow. Then I will find a solution.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much.
For some time now, you have been all to yourself. You don't seem happy anymore. Is there anything you're not telling me?
Mother, I'm fine. I have aired out all my burden. Everything that has been bothering me is wiped away completely. Thank you, Father.
Ada. Ada, you have cried all day long. Please, stop. So you do not develop headache. I can't stand your tears. Please. It's okay. Oh.
Adure. It's okay, my daughter, eh? Stop crying. I know how you feel about his death. Hell, imagine the Igwe's wife, eh? Lolo passed on as soon as she could not bear the pains. Hey. Everybody in this village feels so bad about his death. But the gods knows why. Oh? Please stop crying. Put yourself together, one. Oh? Hell! Oh. Oh. Yeah.
It's okay.
No one has ever called me a friend, but he called me a brother. He accepted me when everyone rejected me. I never knew that his visit yesterday was to say goodbye. My prince. My prince. Death. Death.
You denied my son healing and watched him live with a tormenting ailment for more than 2 decades, which he struggled for his life. Now you have taken him away and left me with no one to replace me as a king and continue my lineage. And my wife also followed him to join my ancestors. Therefore, I have come to inquire from you what I have done to attract your curse upon my household and upon my reign. What abomination have I done that I am forbidden by the gods not to complete the cycle like every other king before me? I have never claimed to be without sin, but gods of our land, why treat me with such cruelty? I beseech you, gods of our land, to treat my case with mercy.
Mercy! Mercy!
The tragedy that befell the house of Igwabogi is so much a great concern to me. For us to have lost the only heir apparent to the throne, the gods must be angry with us.
I feel bad. I feel bad for our entire community. And most especially, the Abogi, the entire family. It's a great loss.
It's very sad.
That's true.
But what is bad luck to one man? It's good luck for another. Yes.
I don't get you right. What are you trying to say?
Ichie, as the wealthiest man in this land, you are the next in lineage for the kingship now. Are you not? If I know, Igwabogi is not going to take another wife to bear him another son.
That is true.
Yes. Am I not right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
But I don't have interest in royalty. And being a king has never come to my thoughts.
Iche, when a man is coming towards you, you need not tell him, come. The throne is already here with you. Why are you shying away from your responsibility?
Excuse me, please. Excuse me. You know what? Let's drop this issue. This matter, let us drop it. Rather, let's mourn for the Igwe's house.
Okay. Ichie, there is nothing better than what I discussed with you that time about the maiden in your house. How far have you gone?
Thank you. How far?
Well, that thing has been too difficult for me. Because for me to call somebody a wife who has been calling me father, it's hard. Very, very hard. Too difficult.
What is difficult in him telling the maiden to be his wife? What is difficult there?
Nothing. Iche, are you okay?
Okay, on what?
I said, are you okay as a man?
I am very, very okay. But you know what? I will give this matter a second thought. A second thought.
Second thought?
Yes.
Ichie, whatever you want to think it now. Before your mother will call you also. Think fast.
Think it now.
Now.
No. Okay. Yeah.
Adure. Adure is such a great maiden. I believe she deserves better.
She has gotten more than she deserves.
Do you mean to say she is fulfilled with me?
Of course. Who will not be happy she's loved by the prince?
Yes. Yes, I'm the prince. But what kind of prince am I? I believe she does deserve more better than my kind of prince. I believe she deserves more better than my kind of prince whose life is in constant misery, always struggling to breathe like every other person.
Ugeze, how could you say such a thing about yourself?
Yes, I have to say it. I just want you to believe and know why I said Adure should belong to someone well deserving. That's me.
Just hold on. Are you thinking of breaking your love affair with her?
No. Never. Look at this. I can't afford to break my relationship with her while I'm still alive. But how much life do I still have left inside of me?
Oh, Geze. You scare me with the words you say.
I'm sorry. Tomorrow, I want you to help me talk to her. I want you to help me tell her how much I love her.
I will, as you have said it. And I'm sure she will be swept off her feet.
I believe it will make more sense to her. I want you to get me more meat. I want to fill my stomach today.
Okay, just shut up. I'll be right back. At first, I was uncomfortable with the words he said. But I never knew my brother was saying his last words. I wish I had known better. I wish I had known better.
You mean he said all those things to you before you joined the ancestors?
Yes. But I never knew he was pouring out his heart to me. I never knew.
I thought I found my destiny. I thought my meeting him that make me a happy and a fulfilled woman. So you should have died. Okay, sir. You should not have died. Why? Is this the destiny you meant to be with me? Is this the destiny you promised me?
Adeze.
You promised to be with me.
Adura, you should not talk like that. My brother loved you so much. He loved you so much and thought you deserved someone better than him. No. Adura, when he was saying all those things, I never understood what he meant. Let me tell you something. Adura, Ugeze, my brother, actually got tired of life. My brother got tired of life, Adura.
Ugeze, is this the promise you made me? Is this the destiny you are talking about by leaving me?
Adura, it's okay. Adura, it's okay.
Ichiokpala, does it mean the son of no man has succeeded in silencing us? He has defeated Mazi Nnamdi Aneche, his son. And the appearance of the prince that day has sent fears in the hearts of the youths. So tell me, is there nothing else we can do to eliminate him?
Impossible. As long as I'm alive, I will not allow him to settle on parallel ground with us, who are aborigines of this land.
Then what do we do?
To deal with him, of course. I have a plan. But the issue here is, are you willing?
Of course I'm willing. As long as the plan will help to eliminate him, I am willing.
That is why I brought you here. Take it.
hope so. And I hope you will find reason with what I'm about to say.
I'm listening, Papa.
First of all, I feel very sorry for what happened to your friend, the prince, whom all of us lost in the cold hand of death. I never knew you had something with him till his death.
Thank you, Papa. His death affected everybody. But I'll be fine.
Fair enough. But the big thing now is, will you find reason with what I'm about to say?
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay. You know, throughout this our land, I am the wealthiest. The gods bless me bountifully. You know it. I am not lacking anything as a human being. And considering the fact that the kingship of this land will soon direct it to my house. So, I don't want what happened to Igwe Bogidi to repeat itself in my own house. So, what I'm lacking now is a male child. And I've been thinking over it, and my mind directed me to you.
Papa, how is that possible? How about Mama?
I am the man of the house. I am in charge. You know I love my wife so much and will not like anything that will hurt her. But what I'm talking about, all I'm saying is for our general benefit.
Papa, no. You know I can't say no to you. The truth is, I do not see myself calling you my husband. Yes. No. A man I have called my father all my life. And your wife I called my mother.
No. Get up. Don't worry.
Papa, you're a good man. Yes. And I owe you my life. But I want you to reconsider me in your thoughts. Because I will not be comfortable in sharing same bed with my mother. Please. I assure you by the gods that it's not yet late for your wife not to bear you a son. Please. Please, Papa.
It is well. I will not dare take you as my wife against your wish. And I would like you to see it as a repayment of taking good care of you. You understand me?
Thank you, Papa.
So I so much appreciate your sincerity.
Thank you, Papa.
No
nwata dị mma, hichaa anya mmiri na ọ ga-adị mma. Nwanyị ọma, hichaa anya mmiri na ọ ga-adị mma. Ịnụgo, hichaa anya mmiri na ọ ga-adị mma.
I remembered the story my father told me concerning my destiny. When I met you guys there, I thought I found the destiny I seek for. But little did I know that there is nothing like destiny.
If you don't want to follow the destiny your father described, how then do you want to live your life?
Following my destiny has stood as a distraction to my life. I want to live a normal life. I want to live a normal life. I want to follow my heart. There's nothing like destiny. There's nothing like destiny.
So where is your heart leading you?
The other day I came to your house. I met your mother. She asked me a question.
What did she ask you?
I cannot marry such a man like you. I have heard about how that man has been harassed and humiliated by the kinsmen. But to think that the man who wants to pay my bride price is among the men that perpetrate such regrettable acts, I cannot take that. For this reason, consider our courtship cancelled.
Ijoma, please. Ijoma, please don't do this to me. I accept that my actions were wrong. I thought I was doing the right thing. Nana is a son of no man, and Adura is way too good for him.
How dare you? How dare you, Obum? Huh? Call your fellow man a son of no man. And who are you to say that? Are you better than him? Are you? I have seen more reasons to break up with you.
Ijoma, please. Okay, all right. I've heard all you've said. I accept that I am totally wrong. I have heard everything you have said. Please.
You know what? I am not going to break up with you. But on the condition that you should go and apologize to him. Also apologize to my sister for the embarrassment.
But I can't do that. I cannot apologize to the son of no man.
I see. It is over. Get
Ijoma.
This is very serious. What are you going to do?
I don't even know. I mean, I am so angry right now.
Listen, this is not a thing of anger. Unless you don't love Ijoma like you claim.
Of course I love her. I cannot afford to lose her. I have sacrificed a lot for her, and you know, our marriage plans are already in progress.
Then you must do what you have to do.
Are you suggesting I apologize to the son of no man?
Yes, if that will make you not to lose Ijoma. Or do you have a choice?
Eye of the gods, what brought you to my palace?
The gods sent me to you. Your cry has got into their heart.
Because are kind indeed. They are kind indeed. Eye of the gods, please, I would like you to stay back for a meeting that will take place here very soon now. I will need your eminent wisdom in taking some decisions in some issues on my table this morning.
I will stay back, Your Highness.
Good. Guards!
Your Highness.
I want you to go and summon all the cabinet members. Tell them to be here immediately. Also summon Namdi Ibe and also the hunter too. Go quickly.
What I said to you today, I should not have said those words. And please forgive me for all the ways I've treated you. And even all the times I've disrespected you. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
You're doing this because of my sister Ijoma, right?
Nana, I joined him to ask for your forgiveness. I condemned his actions and made him realize how wrong he was. I am sure he's going to respect you henceforth. To find a place in your heart to forgive him, please. Because Maria, Ada, Yoya.
No. Your presence is needed at the palace now.
What does the Igwe want from my son?
I greet you. My fellow elders, I greet you. Igwe, I want to thank you for the special attention you have paid to the matter that concerns me. Thank you, Igwe.
We all know that in our tradition, a woman does not partake in sharing of family properties. Everything goes to the male children. Even when the man has only a son. So I don't understand the reason. A young man we don't know his origin will grow up and start dragging land with a son of the house. I have not seen anything like that in this land, and we must not allow that.
It is indeed very, very complicated to make judgment in a case like this. The young man said his foster father, who was a brother of Nnamdi here, gave him the land in particular. Therefore, even though the man in question is not, do we not think it is wise that we protect the deed and let this young man keep the land as a gift from his foster father?
Mban. Ichiakonam, you are wrong on this one. Remember that in our tradition, we have no place for a son that we don't know his origin. A son of no man for that reason. No, it won't happen in this land.
Nana should be concerned about tracing his origin. That is his father and his mother. And not to come here to start dragging over my late brother's land. Even if it is true that my late brother gave him the land, that action was wrong. And I am here to correct that wrong action. It is against our customs and tradition.
Yes. Young man, you said that your foster father willingly and directly allotted those lands to you.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Please, can you tell us who was there to bear witness to the deed?
Yes. There's a more here. Was there as a witness.
No. The wise one? Now, have you been able to ask your foster mother who your father is?
My foster mother told me that my mother died after giving birth to me. I've never heard anything about my father. And I was brought to her by my foster mother to pass.
That was when you were young.
Now you have grown.
Have you ever made an effort to ask her again, or tried to trace or locate where your father comes from?
My foster father made me swear that I will never ask questions about my origin. And I promised him I will never ask questions. And that promise.
Now, can you tell us who your father is? What is his name?
Okay.
Can you tell us who your foster mother is? Or what is her name? I would like to see her. Guards! Go now to this young man's house. Summon that woman there, who is his mother. Go! Eye of the gods, can you please tell us your connection with this young man and tell us everything you know about his family background?
Your Highness, I'll tell you. The mother's name is Akudo, the only surviving child of Mazi Ikeduru of the Duru clan. Your Highness, do you now remember something?
So Ezemo knows everything about this, yet he kept all to himself, allowing the curse of the gods to destroy my household.
Igwe, what is it?
Igwe, what is happening?
Have you confirmed it?
Yes, I'm pregnant. What are we going to do about it?
Who knows about this? I mean, apart from the both of us, who else knows about it?
My father.
Your what? How? Why would you allow your father know about it?
Because my father is the closest person to me since my mother died.
All right. Listen to me. Don't allow any other ear to hear about this. I don't want it. Go home, tell your father I'll come later in the day and talk to him. Let's discuss about it.
Okay. We'll be waiting.
Okay. And remember what I said. Don't allow any other person to know about this pregnancy.
Nobody will know about it.
You sure?
Hey!
Icheibe, I'm sorry I cannot marry your daughter because I'm already betrothed to another woman. So my father must not know about this. Icheibe, you know it's not in my power to make choice on my own. If I had the power to make choice, you know definitely I would marry your daughter. But there's nothing I can do. So my father must not hear about the relationship between me and your daughter, or that she's pregnant for me. So that's why I'm here. Let's talk, let's reason and know what to do about this.
So my prince, what exactly do you want me to do?
I want you to terminate the pregnancy. She must not give birth to that child.
But my prince, what you're asking me to do is an abomination in this land.
And it will be more than abomination if my father gets to know about it.
I'm sorry, my prince. I can't do what you ask of me.
Mazibe, you don't seem to understand what I'm talking about. I am not here to bargain with you. What I asked you to do is an order. And you must do what I asked you to do, else you have me to contend with. The news about your daughter's pregnancy must not filter into anyone's hearing. Because if it does, I will not just deny the pregnancy, but I'll make sure I eliminate you and your household out of this land. Demi Icheibe.
Ewe.
You want to terminate the pregnancy because of the threat of the young prince.
What can I do, wise one? I do not want trouble.
You do not want trouble, but you already want to fall into trouble. Killing an unborn child is an abomination in our land. The gods forbid it.
I know, wise one. That is why I have come, so that you will tell me exactly what I should do.
My daughter, stop crying. You will not kill the seed growing in your womb. He must live.
But, wise one, the prince threatened my life and that of my family.
He's threatening his future. the whole of his future shall be threatened in the same way he's threatening you.
So that was what happened. The man had to take his daughter away from the land to the mother's land. And while there, the daughter gave birth to the child. But the daughter took ill and died after giving birth to the child. The father brought the child to me secretly before he died. And I handed him over to late Nze Ibe and his barren wife Adako. And I warned them to keep the secret from the child.
Petesemo, I later visited the Chiebe to inquire of the girl and the pregnancy. And he told me he took the girl back to her mother's place. And that the girl died in the course of trying to remove the child from her womb.
A lie well deserved.
Your Highness, the woman was stubborn and she refused to come with us.
The son of no man. Obugenio kawabiari jeme umweluwa. Ewo omwegi subu.
You see? It has happened! Orego! What you people wanted has happened! Who knows what Igwe has said to him? Who knows? I hate you for this! It has happened!
Mama, is there anything I need to know? Nana has taken a lot of time in the palace. And you refuse to answer to Igwe's summon to the palace. Mama. Tell me.
Mama, now I know the truth.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
What truth? What is happening here?
How could you keep such secret away from me? You kept me in the dark for so long. I was humiliated. I was treated like an outcast.
Can somebody tell me what is happening?
I'm sorry. It is not my will to keep the truth away from you. It is the same odds that kept you from asking questions. That kept me from speaking the truth, son. From telling you the truth, son.
I hate you. I hate you. Mother, I hate you. How could you?
The son of
My people, I am really very sorry. I'm sorry. I was young and naive. I could not make right decisions for myself. The gods have punished me for my sin. Please, forgive me. Forgive me.
Son, you have to forgive him. He wouldn't have found you if the gods have not forgiven him. Forgive him. He is truly your father. Yes.
The gods are wise. Their purpose cannot be thwarted, even though mortals may try.
Prince Ugeze, your death has brought pain upon my soul. You are a rare gem. You loved and accepted me when everyone calls me the son of no man. You encouraged me. You made me believe in myself. Without knowing you are my blood. I wish death never succeeded in taking you away. My blood, I promise to love and respect you for the rest of my life.
Mirrors
On my honor, this is for you. Rest in peace.
But it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the gods